Good morning, Jai Hind children. Today, welcome in your revision class. We are going to do the revision for our half-yearly examination. Children, you all know that MCQ type questions will come. What is the meaning of MCQ? Multiple choice question. Question will be asked and the 4 answers will be given to you. You have to take the correct option. Which one is right, most suitable, you have to correct. For that, you have to read the question very carefully. Okay, children? And this time, you are going to give your exam in your school app, that is Edunex app. Okay? I hope you all have started working with that and you are comfortable now. Children, today we are going to start the revision of the lesson. Lesson number 9, how our body works. And you know how many lessons are coming in exam? 4 lessons are coming in your exam. The lesson number 1, the food we eat. Lesson number 2, materials from the earth. Lesson number 3, soil. And this lesson number 9, that is how our body works. Here we will read about the organs of the body system and the working procedure. I am going to share the PDF, share the book pages of that lesson. Then you will be able to understand from there. Children, you have to read each and every line of the lesson. What we will read in this lesson? How our body works. The organs of the different organ system and their functions, and in detail we will read about the digestive system, different kinds of teeth, and the importance and taking care of teeth, and organs of respiratory system, their functions. In this picture you can see the different organs. You have to match the organs with their functions. Here number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 organs are there, and here the work is given. On class 3 you have also read about the about this organ and their system. One has been done for you, that is number 3. This is the picture of brain. And what is the function of brain? It controls all activities of the human body. Okay. Just like that, come to first one. What is this picture? This is the picture of lungs. And what is the function of this? Help to breathe. You will match the lungs with help to breathe. Come to second one. This is the picture of stomach. Can you identify these organs? If the pictures will be given in your exam, you will be identify and take the correct name of the organ. What is the use of this stomach? It helps to digest the food. Second, you will match with this. And third, you have already done this. And now come to the fourth one. This is the picture of heart. And what is the use of heart? What is the function of heart? It pumps blood to all parts of the body. And what is the system name? Circulatory system. Okay. And this is the picture of kidney. This is the pair of kidney. And what is the use? What is the function? It makes urine. Okay. Excretory system. It is the organ of the excretory system. Let's read in detail. Children, these are the major organ system of the human body. Children, you can identify these pictures. If in exam the picture will be given, you can write the name of that picture. You can take the correct answer. And what is the function? Suppose this picture is given and it will be asked, name the organ system, and 3 alternates will be given: muscular system, digestive system, skeletal system. On which you will take the correct? You will take the skeletal system, the correct answer. And it will be asked, it can be asked, what is the use of skeletal system? It helps in movement of body, it helps in digestion, or it gives shape and support to our body. Then what will be the right answer? The right answer will be the skeletal system gives shape and support to our body, and it is made up of bones. And how many bones are in our body? 200 total 206 bones. A child with born, it has more bones. As it develops, some bones join together, and in an adult human being there are 260 bones, 206 bones. Come to the another picture. This is the picture of which organ system? Muscular system. And what is the use of muscular system? What is the function of muscular system? It helps in the movement of our body. These are the muscles which help in the movement of our body. They are attached to these bones. And here are the joints through which we can bend our hands, legs, neck. And what is this picture? This is the picture of digestive system. Here you can see the different organs of the digestive system. And what is the use of digestive system? It helps in digestion of the food. Come to the next picture. You can see this is the picture of respiratory system. And what is the use of respiratory system? Helps in the process of respiration. Okay, children, what is the respiration? To get the energy from the digested food. Or the another name of respiratory system is the breathing system, taking air in and oxygen in and giving out carbon dioxide. Come to the next one. This is the picture of circulatory system. It supplies blood to all parts of the body. And major organ is the heart, which pumps blood to the all body parts. Now, and here are the blood vessels. They are blue and green in color, pure blood, and the blood carrying oxygen, blood carrying carbon dioxide. Okay. Come to the next. Circulatory system supplies blood to the whole body parts. And this is the picture of excretory system. Here you can see a pair of kidneys. And it removes the waste product from the body. Okay. And what is this system? This is the nervous system. And this is the one of the most important system. Why? Because it controls all the activities of our body. And what are the major organ of this nervous system? This brain, nerves, and this spinal cord. These three together make the nervous system. You can identify in the picture if it will be given in your exam, and you can take the correct function of these particular organ system. Of course, yes, children, revise again and again, read again and again, and try to understand. Come to the next. This is the detailed picture of the digestive system. What is the digestion, beta? Here the digestion process takes place. The breaking down of food into smaller pieces to get energy. The food that we eat, it stores energy, but we cannot take that energy. Now, for getting that energy, we need the digestion of that food. After the digestion of the food gives the energy which is present in that food. So digestion is very, very important. And these are the organs of the digestive system: mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, anus. These all are the organs of the digestive system. And digestion starts from our mouth. In our mouth, where you eat food through your mouth, the teeth are present. Teeth help to cut the food into smaller pieces and chew the food. Here, a liquid called saliva is present inside the mouth, which makes the food softer, smoother, and it digests the carbohydrate present in the food. And this food passes from the mouth to this food pipe. This long pipe is known as food pipe. And the food passes from the food pipe to the stomach. This being structure, you can say this is the stomach. From the food pipe, the food passes to the stomach. And the stomach muscle churns. They churns, and for what purpose? To make the food churn, to digest, to make it in a smaller part, semi-solid. And here many digestive juices are present which helps in the digestion of the food. And from the stomach, this food passes to the small intestine. It is a long tube coil. You can see now. This is the small intestine. And the small intestine, there are blood vessels are present. It is surrounded by the blood vessels. The digested food from the small intestine passes to the blood vessels, and from the blood vessels these distributed all of body parts to get the energy. And the undigested part is from the small intestine passes to the large intestine. Okay, and the waste from the and water is absorbed, and the here the water is absorbed, and the solid waste is given out through the body through the part called anus. And what is the use of liver, beta? Liver digests, absorb the harmful chemicals present in the food we eat. And here are pancreas, and these are bile juice are produced, which help in the digestion of the fat. Okay, you can see in this picture the food passes from the mouth to the food pipe to the stomach to the small intestine, then into large intestine, and from the large intestine through the anus the waste is given out. Now we will read in detail the structure of a tooth. Tooth in singular it is called tooth, in plural it is called teeth, and it is present inside the mouth, and teeth are very, very important. It gives shape to our face, and it helps in the breaking down of food, chewing of food, biting of food. These teeth are very necessary. Let's read the internal structure of the tooth. Children, the main two parts of the tooth are crown and root. The part of the tooth that you can see, that is visible, which you clean by your brush, it is called crown. It is white in color. And the part of the tooth which you cannot see, which is present inside the gum, is called root. It is called root. Okay? And the root, and this tooth has three main layers. What are these three layers? The outermost layer is called enamel. What is the outermost layer? It is enamel. It is white in color, and enamel is the hardest substance in the human body, you know. And after that, there is a layer, soft layer comparatively. This is dentine. This is like yellow in color. This is dentine. And after the dentine, the innermost layer of tooth is pulp, and it is soft. And here the blood vessels, nerves and blood vessels are present in the pulp. You feel tooth decay ना, आपको दांत में दर्द होता है तो आप feel करते हो ना? How you can feel? Due to the presence of these nerve vessels. ये जो nerve vessels होती है, these give ये हमारे ब्रेन को बताती है there is a tooth decay and we feel tooth decay. And the nutrients are the food which we eat. The calcium is necessary for the growth of tooth. This is given to the teeth through the blood vessels. The nutrients reaches to the teeth through this blood vessels. Okay? If in exam the question will come, how many layers of teeth are there in? What you will answer? There are 3 layers. Name the outermost layer of the tooth. Enamel. And which is the softest layer of the tooth? Pulp. Nerves and blood vessels are present in which part? Pulp. And name the part of the tooth which you cannot see. You will see. You will take root. And the part which you can see are called crown. Okay. Many different types of questions can be formed. Let's read about the different types of teeth, kinds of teeth. We have made the teeth model, and we read also there are mainly 4 kinds of teeth: molar, incisors, canines and premolars. They have different shapes, different number, different sizes, and because They do the different work. Incisors are present in front. Okay, you can see in this picture they are present 4 in number in lower and 4 in upper. Okay, and this helps in cutting the food. ना हम लोग सबसे पहले फूड को किससे कट करते हैं? इन सीजर्स. After that there are canines. They are 4, 2 in lower jaw and 2 in upper jaw. And they are little sharp. Canines are bigger and little sharp. They help to tear the food. Food को tear करने में मदद करते हैं. And in carnivorous animals they have very sharp canines ना. And after that there are broad teeth. They are called premolars. They are 4 in number, 2 in low, 4 in, they are 8 in number, 4 in lower jaw and 4 in upper jaw. They are broad and they help in the chewing and grinding the food, crushing the food. And there are molars. Molars are, they are 6 in lower jaw and 6 in upper jaw. And they are bigger and flat teeth. You can see the grooves are present. And children, you know about the wisdom teeth that grow after the age of 16. This is a molar tooth which is present at the last of the jaw. And these grows. And it is not sure compulsory that every human being has these 1, 2, 3, 4 wisdom teeth. Some of us we have only 2. That's why we have 30 number of teeth and some of having 32 number of teeth. Na? Okay. Come to the another one. You can identify the picture. You can write the correct number of the picture. Teeth. And the another thing is formation of plaque and tooth decay. If we do not brush our teeth properly, a sticky layer called plaque develops on the teeth. What is plaque? Plaque is made up of germs that live on mouth. Okay, these germs feed on the bits of food stuck in the teeth. जो खाना हम लोग खाते हैं उसके छोटे छोटे टुकड़े हमारे दांत में रह जाते हैं. The germs develops, they eat these food particles and they give out acid. Acid produce करते हैं. It is a type of chemical. And what is the use of what acid does? The acid makes through the enamel. It's eat through the enamel and makes hole called cavity. और इस एसिड की वजह से जो एनामल है वो गल जाता है और उसमें कैविटी बन जाती है. And the food particle get stuck, so it is very very important to meet the dentist, and the dentist filled this cavity. So we should take care of our teeth. We should brush properly. Okay. And we feel tooth decay due to this cavity. And if we will not take care, this tooth will fall. Come to the another one. Let's check what we have learned. The liquid produced in the mouth is called saliva. Which nutrients are digested through saliva? Carbohydrates. From the stomach, the food passes into the small intestine, and undigested food passes into the large intestine. And temporary teeth are also called the milk teeth. Okay, what are the temporary teeth? These are called milk teeth. And we have 2 canines in each jaw. If an exam these will come, I think you all will be able to answer this. Come to the another. In very short, we will read the lesson. Main points of the lessons. A group of organs that work together to do a special job is called. What it is called? Organ system. And the organ system that helps in the digestion, what it is called? It is called digestive system. And the organs of the digestive system are mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas, and nurse. You can answer easily. How many teeth an adult has? 32. And number each type of teeth? 8 incisors, 4 in each jaw, 4 canines, 2 in each jaw, 8 premolars, 4 in each jaw, 12 molars, 6 in each jaw. And what is the shape and what is the function of these teeth? We have already discussed, learn these things. The organ system that help in the respiration is called respiratory system. What is the another name of respiratory system? Breathing system. And what are the organs of respiratory system? Nose, windpipe or lungs. A question can become nose, windpipe and lungs. These organs together makes which system? Respiratory system. Okay. Let's do the book exercises. This is not a part of digestive system. Mouth, stomach, small intestine or nose? Of course, nose. This is not a part of digestive system. Which system's part is? It is the part of respiratory system. The air's oxygen enters inside it through the nose. The teeth are used to bite the food. Which teeth? Premolars, canines, incisors, molars. Incisor. Children, in exam you read the question carefully and take the most suitable answer. Which is the most suitable or correct? This is the outer layer of the tooth. Which is the outer layer of the tooth? The outermost layer, enamel. And what is the innermost layer? Pulp. And what is the middle layer? Dentine. You will be able to answer these type questions now. When we breathe out, the gas leaves the lungs through the nose. कौन सी गैस आती है बाहर? Carbon dioxide. And which gas is taken in? Oxygen. Fill in the blanks. It can be come in the take the correct option form. Digested food is absorbed by the blood vessels. Which organ? Small intestine में blood में खाना हमारा digested food mix हो जाता है, absorbed हो जाता है. The solid waste goes out of the body through the anus. Anus से solid waste बाहर जाता है. The four front teeth in each jaw are called incisors. The top part of the tooth is called crown. And respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. And children, this can become in exam. What is the breaking down of food into simpler form is called? Digestion. Which organ removes harmful chemical from the absorbed food? Liver. Which teeth help to crush and grind the food? Molars. What is the middle layer of tooth called? Dentine. Which organ has tiny air sacs? Lungs. Na? And these are the question answer. This time the only multiple choice question will come. Yes, children. These can become. Na? These are the organ of which system? Digestive system. Can you identify the picture of these organs? Huh? If in exam these pictures are given, you can be identify. Yes, this is the food pipe, this is small intestine, this is anus, this is large intestine, this is stomach, and this is the picture of mouth. Number the organs in the correct order to show the food process from one organ to another. आपको correct number fill करना पड़ेगा कि food सबसे पहले किस part में जाता है. After that it goes to which part. According to the movement of the food for the digestion, you have to number it. First, the food we eat comes to the mouth. From the mouth, the food goes to the food pipe. You will write number 2. Then it passes to the stomach. You will write number 3. And then number 4, then number 5, then number 6. In the exams, the 3 sequence will be given. The 1 will be right and 2 will be wrong. You have to take the correct one. So you must know what is the correct sequence. Okay, children? Read this carefully. It can come in exam. And this is the about our teeth. How many sets of teeth a human being have? Temporary teeth and permanent teeth. What is the another name of temporary teeth? Milk teeth. How many number of temporary teeth? 20. And permanent teeth? 32. Now, kinds of teeth, they are incisors, canines, premolars, molars. And what are the use? Incisors bite the food. Canines tear the food. Premolars cut and grind the food. And what does molar do? They crush and grind the food. Huh? They crush. They are broad and biggest. Come to the another one. Children, this is the worksheet which I have made for you. You solve this worksheet in your notebook, in your science notebook. Okay? After the class, I will provide the answer of this. And in your Edonix app, when you will go to e-content, you will find a new chapter, revision and worksheet. You will get answer there. वहाँ पे आपको worksheet, when you will see, I will give this solve worksheet. First, you try to solve yourself. Let's solve together. चलो मैं आपकी help करती हूँ. We solve together. Digested food is absorbed by blood vessels. किस organ में digested food absorb होता है? Small intestine, large intestine, liver or pancreas? Which is the right answer, beta? It is the small intestine. Now, the food is absorbed by blood vessels in the small intestine. Okay, this is the right answer. Come to the second one. The lower part of the tooth is called crown, root, gum or cavity. The lower part of the tooth which you cannot see. It is root. What is the right answer? It is root. Na? Come to the next one, the right answer. Let's do the next one. Nutrients reach a tooth through, जो हमको हमारे दांत को टूथ को कहाँ से खाना मिलता है, न्यूट्रिएंट्स कहाँ से मिलते हैं? गम से, सलाइवा से, एनामल और ब्लड वेसल्स. Of course, blood vessels provide the calcium and other nutrients which are very, very important for the growth of teeth. They comes into it through the blood vessels. Okay, this is the right answer. Come to the next beta. This is about the organ system. You have to identify the correct organ of work of the organ system. The organ system that helps in the process of respiration. What it is called? You will write here. And in exam, the 3 options will be given. You have to don't write there. You have to just identify the correct one and you put the tick mark on that. The organ system that help in the process of respiration, respiratory system. What it is called? Respiratory system. And the organ that gives shape and support to our body. What it is called? Skeletal system. I have shown you all these pictures now. It can become in pictorial form and it can become in this form. You have to write, take the correct, identify and take the correct organ system. The organ system controls all the activities of the body. Nervous system. And the organ system that removes waste throughout the products from the body. जो waste product को बाहर देता है. Excretory system. The organ systems that helps in the digestion of food. Digestive system. And this is the organ system that helps in the movement of the body. Muscular system. And this is the organ system that supplies blood to all parts of the body. Circulatory system. And what are the major organs of this system, beta? Of this system? Heart and blood vessels. I think you all will be able to solve this. You solve yourself and I will provide the solve worksheet in your Edonix app, in e-content, and okay, I will provide in your WhatsApp group also. Okay, no matter. You all will match there. Try to solve yourself. I hope you all will do now. You have understood these things very well. Children, for the exam, you read the lesson carefully, each and every line. The questions are based on your concept based होंगे ना, कि आपने कितना समझा. Okay, and this, it will be very easy if you have understood the lesson. and you have to tick the correct option. Practice, read each and every lessons daily. Okay, children, bye bye. Meet you soon in the next class, and we will do the revision of the next lesson. Okay.